Hi guys, today I would like to present about paragraph structure. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Belandina Anita Sere Sihombing. You can call me Sere. I'm from 3MSU and my number is 061940512752. Let's get started. What is paragraph? A paragraph develops one main idea through a series of related sentences. This main idea is usually introduced in the first sentence of the paragraph, called the topic sentence. The idea is then developed further through the sentences that follow. A paragraph is usually around 250 words and consists of 5 or 6 sentences, although this can vary depending on the purpose of the paragraph and the length of the piece you are writing. Paragraphs play an important role in writing because they provide a framework for organizing your ideas in logical order. Using a clear structure for your paragraphs helps guide the reader through your written work. Paragraph structure consists 3 parts. The beginning, topic sentence. The topic sentence is typically the first sentence of a paragraph, and it should be clearly state the main idea that you will develop throughout the paragraph. If a topic sentence is too general, the paragraph will often be lengthy and unfocused. In this situation, the paragraph can be organized into 2 or sometimes more paragraphs, each with a topic sentence that has a more reasonable scope based on available supporting evidence. Ideally, your readers should be able to quickly identify the main ideas and scope of your paper simply by reading every topic sentence. The middle, supporting sentences. The supporting evidence compose the body of the paragraph. These elements should consist of detailed information that is directly relevant to and further develop the main point presented in the topic sentence. It is standard to have anywhere from 2 to 5 concise supporting sentences, which is generally sufficient to develop the main point and keep the paragraph focused. It is also important to keep in mind that a paragraph may come across as being disjointed, with no clear logical progression of thought, when the conceptual connection within the paragraph are missing or poorly developed. This issue can be resolved by adding a sentence to lead into the following statement or by revising the existing sentences so that they lead from one into the next. The appropriate use of introductory words and phrase can also help to clarify conceptual connection within a paragraph. The last one, concluding sentence. The concluding or closing sentence essentially restates the main idea of the paragraph in the context of the supporting evidence. However, it is important to note that the concluding statement should not simply repeat the topic sentence. Care should be taken to minimize redundancy between the two. The concluding statement can also be used to transition into the main idea of the next paragraph, which improves the overall flow of the paper. When to start a new paragraph, you have to start new main points or new ideas in a new paragraph. If you have an extended idea across multiple paragraphs, each new point within that idea should have its own paragraph. Use a new paragraph to introduce a contrasting or different position. Use a clear topic sentence to identify the main idea. If the paragraph becomes too long or the material is overly complex, you will need to create a break to make your writing more readable. Try splitting long paragraphs into 2 shorter paragraphs. This means you will need to write a new topic sentence at the start of the new paragraph. Introduction and conclusion are usually written as separate paragraphs. This is I took from internet. The perfect paragraph opens with words from the question for focus. Use relevant theory to explain and analyze the point. Follow a logical chain of analysis using connectivities. Refers to hooks from the question to form or support points. Contain real business example and or evidence that support the point. Comes back to the question for focus. Finishes with an evaluative statement and a contrasting example or piece of evidence. Example paragraph. Throughout the years, mice have proven to be infallible model organisms for biomedical research, allowing researchers to investigate disorders by manipulating the environment or the genome. Unlike their human counterparts, mice can be studied in a carefully controlled environment. It is also relatively easy for researchers to manipulate diet composition, food availability, exercise, and other environmental factors that can contribute the differences in physiological outcomes in mice. In addition to being relatively inexpensive, fast to reproduce, and easy to maintain compared to other mammalian models, mice are also remarkably similar to humans in terms of their physiology and genetics. Mice and humans share approximately the same number of genes and exhibit extensive synteny. Because of their genetic similarity to humans, mice have been used to pioneer genetic manipulation technology such as gene overexpression and gene knockout and knockdown models at the whole organism level or in specific tissues. This technological breakthrough in genetics research have followed several decades of rapid discovery and knowledge expansion in many biomedical fields. The ability to manipulate both genetic and environmental variables with relative ease has made mice one of the most widely used in vivo models in biomedical research today. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you and see you in the next meeting. Bye bye.